In this video, I'll show you how to convert Doge to USDT on Binance. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in free trading rebates. After you've logged into your account, I'll show you two ways of getting to the convert page. The first way is by tapping on trade right here at the bottom of the screen, and from here selecting convert out of the options at the top. The second way to do this is by tapping on assets or the wallet icon, selecting Doge out of your list. If you don't see it, you can simply search for it by tapping on this magnifying icon and searching for Doge using the search bar. Tap on Doge and you'll see here convert Doge. Tap on it and it'll bring you to this page where under the From section you're going to tap on Sol and look for Doge out of the list, or search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on Doge, and since we want to convert it to USDT under 2, we're going to tap here and select USDT out of the list, or search for it in the search bar as well. Enter the amount here of Doge you want to convert into USDT. Tap on Preview, confirm the transaction on the next page within the time limit allowed, and that's how to convert Dogecoin into USDT on Binance. If this video was helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.